Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back again with another stock video. We're going to be talking about Starbucks and doing a price prediction and analysis for 2020. Starbucks is at a $100 billion market cap, currently a little bit below $100, $92 to be exact. It actually did not manage to make a new all-time high above $100, so we're going to be talking about if it can or can't. But nonetheless, obviously, one of the bigger stocks out there has a nice little dividend of 1.75%. And let's head over to the chart. Of course, as usual, make sure to check out my other stock price prediction videos for 2020. If there are any stocks that I haven't covered yet, definitely let me know in the comments below. But link to the playlist in the description of this video. So going back to the chart, what we saw was Starbucks had a very nice uptrend and lost that uptrend for a bit. It was able to catch itself off its 50-day moving average, which allowed it to move a bit higher again. But now it's kind of in a make or break situation, right? Because if it's not able to get back to the all-time high, then we'll have put in a lower high, and that will then create a pretty strong downtrend that could push us, potentially quite a bit lower. So now we need to take a look at the trend lines, kind of see what's happening. So let me go ahead and draw our current uptrend line. So this is what we want to try and stay above and keep pushing higher in 2020. And then as far as our downtrend line is concerned, because we do have a downtrend line right now, it would be this right here. This forms a symmetrical triangle that we either need to break to the upside of, okay, or that we're going to break towards the downside of. There's really no other way about it. So it's pretty clear here, and it's kind of make it or break it. These patterns can be seen on the indicators as well, so it's pretty much the same thing. We've got a symmetrical triangle on the RSI as well here. I'm not drawing it out completely accurately, but you get the idea. And the MACD is actually looking pretty bullish. We just went back into positive green territory on the histogram, and the MACD is positive, so that's looking good. But going back to the price here, I'll zoom in just a bit and kind of mention overview what I was talking about. So right now, since we are in this make it or break it symmetrical triangle, it's very important that what we want to see is that we stay above this uptrend line, and like I said, keep climbing above it, at which point we would be pushing back to our all-time high resistance level at $100, and then moving above that, at which point I think we would very quickly get to $110, $120, and we would end the year probably somewhere between that, right? Somewhere probably between $110 and $120 for Starbucks, which would be a pretty big deal, right? We would be in that $100 range if that were to happen. So absolutely doable, but for that to happen, we need to break to the upside of the symmetrical triangle. If that doesn't happen, we're going to be looking at a drop lower. We do have support at $81. So we've got a good amount of support there. But after that, it really seems like, to be honest, I'm looking at, kind of the previous levels of kind of support and resistance. And, maybe at the very worst case scenario, a move down to $72 is possible if things are going to get bearish. That would be the bearish outcome. For now, though, I still think a bullish outcome is still possible to $110 or $120. However, like I said, if we break to the downside of the uptrend, we're going to be looking at some bearish movement, and that first area is going to be $81. If we move below that, however, it is looking like we haven't really came back and tested that $72 level. So we will have to do that in a bearish scenario. With that being said, this completes my Starbucks price prediction and analysis. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to check out those other stock videos and predictions. Also, check out my technical analysis master course, The Ultimate Guide to Technical Analysis. Less than $20, 30-day money-back guarantee. You've got nothing to lose by giving it a try. And feel free to check out the great reviews as well. Absolutely fantastic reviews. Thank you so much for everyone that joined the course. You're not going to get a better than deal for technical analysis like this, lifetime of knowledge. With that being said, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.